AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a modular guillotine knife assembly that can precisely cut a wide variety of materials. The unit has a cutting area with a maximum width of 2.5 inches and a cutting rate of up to 300 cuts per minute. The rate of cuts is governed by both the air pressure and flow rate. Material is precisely cut by a D2 hardened steel blade for long life. Unit can easily be mounted in any position for convenient operation through mounting holes. Knife assembly requires low maintenance to operate. Custom units are available. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.